Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. This is Najma Khan here, your English teacher. I'll be teaching you English in your new class. I cordially welcome you in new session with me. And here is the lesson number 1, and the topic, as you can see, is saying that we are going to learn about the nouns, pronouns, and adjectives, which are the topics of English grammar. So let's get started with nouns. You can see many things around you, and they all have certain names. All names or naming words are called nouns. Students, there are many people around us who we identify with these certain names, like mother, father, teacher, friend, are the names of people. So, noun can be a name given to a person. Tell me, where do you go to study? Where? Yes, you go to school to study. School is a naming word for a place. So a noun can be the name given to a place. Home, park, zoo, beach are all the names of places. Students, can you name a few animals you have seen? Cow, cat, dog, horse. They are all the names of animals. So a noun can be a name given to an animal. Now tell me, what are you sitting on? Are you sitting on a chair? Chair is a naming word for a thing. So a noun can be a name given to a thing. What are the things you see around? Car, bag, clock, book, glass are the names of things and thus nouns. So students, here I have given you an example. Just look at this. Ali and his dog are playing football in the garden. Here Ali is a name of a person. Dog is a name of an animal. Football is a name of a thing. And garden is a name of a place. So you see that everything around us has a name that is called noun. Now there are 10 sentences given for your exercise. You are going to underline all the nouns given in these 10 sentences. Let's move towards Nikki. What is Nikki up to? Nikki has made a word wall with short words, and the words are I, it, you, they, we, she, and he. They all are pronouns. Pronouns takes the place of nouns. Instead of repeating the nouns, we use the pronouns at their places. Pronouns he, she, and we are used for persons. Pronoun it is used for animals and things. For example, it is my pet. My pet is a cat. I, you, he, she are used for one person. We is used for more than one person. They is used for more than one person, things, and animals. For example, they are my friends. My friends are naughty. Students, here is another exercise for you which is relevant to pronouns. You are going to add pronouns to these sentences. Students, now quickly move towards our next topic, which is adjectives, the describing words. Adjectives describes the quality of a noun. You can say that words that describe the quality of a person, place, animal, or a thing is called adjective. Students, words for colors, numbers, size, shape also called adjectives. For example, smart boy, green parrot, big hall, round ball, one hen and two chickens are all the examples of adjectives. So we see that words that are used to describe the quality, color, size, shape, and number is also called adjective. An adjective also describes how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells, or sounds like. For example, beautiful girl, salty chips, fresh fragrance, soft pillow, and loud music. Here, the words beautiful, salty, fresh, soft, and loud all are describing the nouns to next to them. Students, now we are done with all the topics for today. And what is now for you? Yes, here is the link for you. You are going to solve the given worksheet in this link, which is relevant to today's topic. After solving that worksheet, if you have any query or you want to share that worksheet to me, so here is my email ID, which is missk1477@gmail.com. You can share your work with me on this email, and if you want to ask any question, you can. I'm always available there. Thank you so much. See you later.